Hi everyone, I'm Trúc Nguyên. I'm Chief Engineer at Win Hotel. Today, I'm going to talk about the plans to reopen our hotel safely. The COVID pandemic has gradually come to an end thanks to the outstanding development of medicine and science. Hopefully, when the pandemic is over, everything will be back to the way it was. In the tourism and hospitality industry too, one can expect people to travel and enjoy themselves as before. However, the variants of COVID-19 cannot be underestimated either. Therefore, the service industry in general and our upper-scale hotel in particular will have new and improved policy to bring absolute safety to customer and hotel staff. As chief engineer of this hotel, these are the plans that I think will be necessary for reopening our hotel safely. Employee and customer safety. Keeping employee and customer safe are a top priority. To ensure our hotel is as safe as possible, we are requiring face covering. Face covering should be utilized in combination with the following steps, including social distancing at least 6 feet away from others. Avoid contact with people who are sick. Hand washing. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds and use hand sanitizer if soap and water are not available. Check temperature before entering the hotel. We also have to be on the lookout for a customer getting sick while staying at our hotel. Therefore, we need to have specific plans in advance to take care of them. If a customer gets sick while staying at our hotel, first of all, we must quickly isolate that customer from the rest. In addition, we must zone where that gets frequent and take measures to disinfect that area. Sick guests will receive temporary care in the hotel medical area and will be taken to the hospital if it is an emergency situation. Finally, notify other customers if the sick person may have come into contact with them. For employee responsibility, when they go to work, they must report their health status and participate in employee health and temperature screening. Cleaning and disinfecting for public space and communal area. Clean and disinfect daily touch surface such as front deck check-in counters, bell decks, elevator and elevator buttons, door handles, public restrooms. Guest room. We have to pay attention to high-touch, hard non-porous items, including television remote controls, toilet seats and handle, door and furniture handle, water faucet handle. In accordance with CDC guidelines, housekeeping staff should wait at least 15 minutes before entering a guest room for cleaning to allow for adequate time for air exchange. Laundry. We have to use the warmest permissible water setting for the items and dry items completely. Avoid checking dirty linens and bags. Linens, towels, and laundry should be washed in accordance with CDC guidelines. Food safety. Traditional buffet service should be limited. Food and beverage service should reduce contact with guests. Make sure the hotel offers single-use utensils and serving options like spoons, forks, and knives, seasoning packets. The server should wear cloth face coverings, and utensils should be washed and changed more frequently. Hotel staff should follow all food handling and storage guidelines. Facility and building management. To have keep employee and customer safe in the hotel, we need to ensure that there are no potential hazards that could risk for our employees and customers. Water system. We need to check the water in a plumbing system to ensure that water system is safe to use after shutdown to minimize the risk of Legionnaire disease. Besides that, follow EPA guidelines to prevent water stagnation, which causes corrosion of pipes and deposit harmful metals, lead and copper. When inspecting, we need to look for wet spots which can lead to mold damage, such as roofs, windows, ceiling, carpet. Ensure that the building does not have mold after a prolonged shutdown to maintain a safe working environment. We should also look at fire protection system, test alarm, fire bombs, and water supply lines to make sure they work properly. Other utilities we may want to pay attention to before reopening hotel, like lights, impact lighting for emergency signage, exits, ceilings, and walls, repair any damaged bulb or broken circuits. HVAC impacts equipment and system to make sure they are functioning properly. Look at damper, ductwork, floor or power supply and ventilation opening. Here are on the plan for our reopening. Remember, we will strictly follow CDC guidelines and participate in the plans about for providing a safe environment for both staff and guests. Hopefully, all of our staff and guests safe and everything will be going to be fine. Thank you for listening.